If you've recently been waking up feeling like you're just so old and your joints are creaky and rusty and you're just sore all over, this one's for you. Hi, guys, and welcome to another episode of A to Z of Menopause. And today we're talking about joint pain. So, nobody ever expects all your joints to start complaining at the same time. Most people expect like one knee starts to hurt or one shoulder starts to hurt. In most cases, in reality, all the joints start to complain at once. A lot of women are told, oh, it's just aging, you're just getting older. That's true, but that's not the full story. So, women actually have estrogen receptors in our joints, and this estrogen helps to reduce inflammation. So, when estrogen starts to decline, as it does in perimenopause and menopause, then you start to get symptoms of joint ache. Some women will sleep fine and just wake up suddenly with a frozen shoulder where they can't lift their arms or do any kind of movement with that arm without severe pain. So common complaints would be, I feel so creaky in the morning. I feel so sore all over. I don't know why I suddenly can't climb the stairs. My hands just feel so swollen and stiff in the morning. You're not imagining it. This is sometimes called the menopausal arthralgia. Arthralgia basically means painful joints. But what are the things that can help? Gentle movement. You know how I feel about strength training. You have to do some strength training. Gentle stretching is also very helpful. Good sleep, which I know is kind of rude considering our insomnia talk yesterday. For some women, hormone replacement therapy will help with these symptoms, but that is not the case with all women. But it is worth discussing if you have other symptoms of menopause as well, especially hot flashes and insomnia. There is one thing that's really important though. Just because you've got joint pain does not mean it's related to menopause. If your joint is very swollen, very red, very tender, you feel very unwell, then that could be something else and you should be speaking to your doctor about that. So to recap, if your body starts feeling creaky and your joints are achy, it may be your hormones. And the good news is there are ways to make your joints happier again. Okay, that's it for today. And I'll see you tomorrow for, I forgot my alphabet. K.